Restart.
Good morning, students. Today we start online class for class 8. Okay, in this class we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is force. Okay, what is force? We will discuss in clear. First, suppose you want to go to shop and buy things. Okay, you will find a notice on the glass door. Push the door. Okay, while if you want to enter the shop, you want to push the door and you have to go into the shop. After buying all the things, what do you need? You have to come out of the shop, yes or no? Then again you have to pull the door. Okay, while coming to the shop you have to push the door. While going out of the shop you need to pull the door. Okay, what was the force acting in the background? We'll discuss next. If suppose it is the time to rush to school, you will take your bag and pack all your books. Then you have to lift your bag from the ground and you have to insert to your shoulders, yes or no? By which force you are applying? Understand? Next, you are pedaling with the cycle. But suppose you are going on a cycle and you have to pedal with your legs. Yes or no? Okay. In all these cases, what do you need? Okay. In the background, something is acting. What is that? That is nothing but force. Okay. A part of these examples, you know that a paper boy throws a paper at your home, and the rickshaw puller pulls the rickshaw, and lot more examples. But the definition is identifying push or pull. Okay, identifying push or pull of an object is called force. But suppose I am rubbing this board. Okay, I want to rub the board. Here itself there are two types of forces are acting. See, I am rubbing the pull. Okay, if I want to rub, first of all what I want to do is I want to push and I want to pull. Okay, here two forces are acting, and I went to the restaurant. There I want to order a cool drink. That fellow had brought the cold drink. Then I want to sip, okay, with the help of straw. What I am doing is simply I am applying some force. Okay, with the help of that force, the cool drink is entering into the straw and to my mouth. Okay, understand which force is acting there? Some force. That is nothing but contact force. Okay, we will discuss right now types of forces. There are two types of forces: contact forces and field forces. Okay, what is contact forces? For suppose early morning when you wake up, what is the first thing you will do? That is, you will brush your teeth, yes or no? Then you will take the toothpaste. While pressing with the help of your hands, you will press the toothpaste. Then automatically the toothpaste will come out of the tube and you will insert to the brush, yes or no? With the help of your hands, you are applying the force on the toothpaste. So this is a contact force, a result of the force which occurs when there is an interaction between the two physical objects is called a contact force. Then what is field force? If suppose you brought a magnetic compass needle and you brought a magnet, okay, without any physical contact, those two fellows are, for suppose the magnetic compass needle is deflecting. What is the force acting on that? Simply the magnet. You know that in our childhood days we played with the plank, magnet and the safety pin. We keep the safety pin on the upside of the plank and downside we will keep magnet and we will have to drag it. We play or no? Yes, this is due to the field force. There is no contact physically. So this is known as field force. Contact force means here it requires physical activity, because in any of the thing it need contact, but here no contact. We will see gravitational energy, gravitational force. Okay, I am standing on the land. What purpose I am standing? Some force is acting on me, that is gravitational pull. Okay, this is field force. Right now we will discuss in clear what is contact force, and in contact force we will see muscular force. Okay, we'll perform many actions in our day-to-day life. That is, we'll brush our teeth, we'll bathe, we'll drink, and we'll eat, we'll read, we'll talk. Okay, all these actions are related to one force, that is muscular force. Do you know that? Understand? With the help of muscles, you are able to run. With the help of your muscles, you can talk. Even your smile causes the result of muscles. Yes or no? When you smile, what will happen? A term number of muscles will act so that it will bring a changes. So by this I want to ask one question: do you see any force? Do you observe any force or experience any force? No, you cannot observe any force, or I cannot observe any force. then how can you say, sir, what is force acting on the particular object? Simply, for suppose, consume this as a glass bottle. Okay, right now it is in my hand. It is in my hand. It was slipped off from my hand. Suddenly it fall down and it break. What is the result? It break. Okay, the force we cannot experience directly, but the effect caused by the bottle or ground, we can say that is a force acting on it. Okay, simply you can pull the straw from the cool drink. The cool drink will come throughout the straw to your mouth. What the reason? What is the reason? Is simply here a force acting, but you cannot see any force acting on the straw or cool drink. But the change of effect of cool drink coming to your mouth, you can observe that or no? Okay, muscular force. Do you observe that? We'll perform different types of actions. We have previously said that, but a term of muscles. A term of muscle cells acted together. What's a term of muscle cells are acted together? Do you know in our human body there are two types of muscles? When one muscle contracts, the other muscle expands. Do you know that? Simple example, I want to throw this chalk piece at you. Okay, if I want to throw that, first of all, I will need some force. That is nothing but muscular force. Okay, when I am throwing the chalk piece to you, what happens is the muscles at the front side of the chest part and the front side of the shoulder part will make you to expand, means make the chalk to throw onto you, and the muscles at the back side will contracts, means they shorts. That's why your hand raises and it will throw, but not your hand itself. Understand? You observe it. Thank you.
Miss.